So viewers, we are going to start the engine, but our engine is not starting. The motor is moving, but bendings is not engaged to the flywheel. So you can see the motor is moving, but our bendings is not engaged to the flywheel. Okay, so now let's again see it. We're going to start. So you hearing the motor is working, but our bending is not engaging to the flywheel. So it means our motor is not good. We are going to change this motor with the new one because this motor is in warranty. So here's you can see we are going to remove this motor because this motor has the warranty. So we will remove this motor and fix in place of it new one. First we remove the battery cable. So you can see we remove the nut of this battery cable. So after removing the harness, after removing the electric cable, now we are going to remove the bolt of the starter motor. So here you can see we have removed the nut bolt. Now we are pulling out this starter motor. Okay, so after removing this one, we will fix it here, new one. So this one is the old one which is not working. So here you can see we have removed old starter motor because this starter motor is in the warranty, so we couldn't open it and show you what's the problem. We will send this motor back and fix a new one because the new motor has come because this machine is a warranty, so we not check this one. So here you can see this new starter motor has come. Okay, so now we are going to fix this new starter motor because this motor is came in place of the old starter motor. So now we are going to fix new starter motor. Okay, we are put on the place, and after it we fix its bolt and tight its bolt. Let's start.